We also have on the phone Joe Birkett, the DuPage County State's Attorney. Mr. Birkett, your reaction?
Hi, Ron and Cheryl. Well, obviously, I concur with a lot of what Representative Durkin said. We've been saying it for years, that the incompetence and the utter disregard demonstrated by this governor and his administration has left our state fiscally and ethically challenged, and the reputation of our state has been in the gutter. You know, I've been saying it since many years, Ron. I mean, we pointed out a long time ago, before any of the recent indictments were handed down. In fact, in 2005, I predicted that, based upon what was out in the public domain, this governor, if he was elected, re-elected, would never finish because he would be indicted. You know, I'm a prosecutor. I was reading the tea leaves, and I think the press was doing a great job looking at the evidence. The Chicago Tribune, your station, the Chicago Sun-Times reporting on these scandals, and now it's all come home to roost.
Since this has all happened, what about, let's talk politically, how many more people are talking about running for governor when the term is up for Governor Pat Quinn at this time because of all the scandals happening here in Illinois? What is the political front when people are talking about running?
Well, I think a lot of people are very nervous and concerned about what has taken place, and they should be. The last time we had reform, and I want to talk about reform a little bit, the last time we had reform, Governor Blagojevich touted it, and the leaders in Springfield touted it, that this is real reform. Well, it wasn't real reform. It was reform with a wink and a nod. The way to really reform government is to elect people who are honest and effective leaders. And Jim Durkin said it. We've been saying that for months on the campaign trail. I do think there is an opportunity for Republicans to make sure that people hear their message again. But right now, what we have to be concerned about is cleaning up state government and passing real reform. I think yesterday's release by the Governor Quinn's commissioner, the release the other day of their initial recommendations is a good start. I think there's going to be more recommendations after the hearing next week, and I think that's where we have to start and stop thinking right now who's going to be filling what position, but let's get to work and really reform government in the state of Illinois and get serious.
Mr. Birkett, very briefly, those of you who ran in the political arena against this administration face-to-face, do you feel like in some personal way, if these charges are proven, that you've been cheated or deprived of something, fair chance?
You know, it's not personal, Ron. I've never taken it personally. The people of the state of Illinois, the people who have been cheated, the people that voted for Rod Blagojevich, the people that voted for these leaders in Springfield who've broken their promise, those are the people who've been cheated. I was out there as a candidate speaking out, talking about issues, talking about what we need to get this state back on track. I was saying it when I ran in 2002 that we need real leadership in the Attorney General's office, and you know, fortunately, we have now an opportunity to seize the moment and enact real reform in Illinois.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Birkett, for taking the time.
Take care.